Guys, this is Jockman here once again. Look at this game. It's I don't think you can get it in Australia. This is from America. It's got a steering wheel up in the corner here. He's got a steering wheel, he's got a computer, he's got another computer, he's got a gear stick and the game itself. It's a bit like PlayStation 4, but it's a bit different because he uses a computer. So the computer and the gear stick he's using, you need all that to run this game. I don't think we sell them in Australia though. If there is, can someone put it in my inbox where you get this game and where you get all these controls from? Or is there an easier way than getting all that to get this game, if you know what I'm talking about? I thought you'd just get a PlayStation 4 game, plug it in and you get to use this game, but unfortunately you don't. You need a steering wheel, which I understand, you need a gear stick, which I understand, but I think you also need that computer box here. See that computer box? I'm not too sure. First time I ever seen these games. Simulated game, truck games they're called. And what it's called is... That's what it's called. Blows me away, it looks so real too. See how he's steering it? America, they got all better games in America. I think we'll have to go shift over to America just to get these good games. It's so realistic, this game, it's not funny. It's got the Jake brake. Listen to it.